7 books that will change your perspective on life. Tired of living the same script? These 3 books from my top 7 list will completely rewrite your reality. Book 1, The God-Mind Connection. Stop treating intuition like a lucky guess. Think of it as a radio frequency. Jean K. Foster shows you how to tune out the static of stress to hear a quieter, steadier clarity. You don't have to carry the weight of the world alone. Book 2, Becoming Supernatural, where the lab coat meets the meditation cushion. Dr. Joe Dispenza proves you aren't a victim of your genes, you're the architect. By aligning your heart's rhythm with your brain's electricity, you can literally step out of your past and into a new reality. Book 3, Healing with Whole Foods, the Nutritional Bible. Paul Pitchford proves you can't have a God mind if your gut is a disaster. It's not about weight loss, it's about vitality. Learn the energetic power of food to lift the brain fog you've carried for years. Once you see the patterns presented in these content-rich books, you can't unsee them. Stop looking for answers outside of yourself. Change your way of being. Click the link in the description for the full list of all 7 life-changing titles.